Hey guys, in today's video you will be checking out some of the best robots for kids available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Sikaye Robot for Kids. The robot can be controlled by remote control. The robot can perform the following actions through the remote control like walking, sliding backward, forward, turn left, turn right. This robot can sing and dance. There will be a lot of fun with this smart robot. The robot can be controlled not only by remote control but also by gesture. This amazing remote control robot is not only infrared control toys robots but also gesture sensing control mode. This smart robot can make 50 actions. If you switch programming function he will repeat the movement one by one for what he did. The best ideal tool for help to teaching concepts in robotics, science, art and technology to young kinds and then develop their creativity ability. At number 6 we have Ruko Robot. This smart robot named Carle can be controlled by phone app, remote controller, voice command and gravity sensor easily. Kids can have more fun per their age levels, easier to operate upon their favorites, indeed a friendly companion. Carle acts as Bluetooth speaker to play unlimited stories and songs after connecting phone. He can also dance, do gymnastics, walk, slide, record and communicate, etc. It greatly innovate their knowledge with funny ways. There is a sensitive sensor for Carle. When you touch his head the robot responds by saying something funny in a lively cute voice. At number 5 we have Top Race Robot. Program the robot dog to perform according to your demands. It dances with music and does lifelike movements. Your kids will love this for a birthday gift. The Top Race Robot Dog uses a 7.4V 600 mAh rechargeable battery. Remote uses 2 Z batteries. It features 12 voice directives, imitates 10 animal forms, 7 function remote control robots and more. Number 4 we have Top Race Robot. This robot really is the perfect little buddy for your kid. Not only does it look awesome but it even shoots little discs made of foam so that no one gets hurt while playing. You can put up other toys and aim at them, or you even take 2 of these little robots so that you can have a little fight with the 2 of them. This robot is really easy to play with and so enjoyable at the same time. While the early robots were made from metals and motors, this new advances in computer technology enabled us to design robots that are purely robotic. At number 3 we have King's Dragon Robot. This gesture sensing robot not only can be controlled by infrared controller but also can turn left, turn right, slide backward and slide forward according to how your hand gesture commands. This smart robot toy can demonstrating a set of 50 actions inputted by the user. If you switch programming function this interactive robot will play back using its moves record feature to repeat the movement one by one as you created. Like turn left, turn right, walk forward, walk backward, patrol, dance and many others. Action mode is selected. This RC robot is powered by built-in batteries. Directly connect to USB charging interface like your power bank plug computers. At number 2 we have Disney Robot. The remote control is easy for kids ages 4 years and older to maneuver and lets them send wall forward and change direction through backup J turns. His head and arms move as he does for even more movie-like motion. For lights and sounds without movement push the button on his front. With more than 20 random options he's ready to surprise. Kids will love the possibilities for playtime with this fan-favorite character, who makes the perfect best friend. Colors and decorations may vary. The wall stands approximately 9.5 inches tall and features a true-to-movie design that fans will love. At number 1 we have Top Race Robot. This Top Race voice-controlled and remote control smart robot dog personal puppy pet. It is recommended robot for kids ages 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and up. It has 12 voice directives, imitates 10 animal forms, 7 function remote control robot toy for kids. It dances with music and does lifelike movements. Your kids will love this for a birthday gift. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best robots for kids for your need.